Here's how to get 90% discount on Hostinger plans. If you want to purchase any Hostinger plan and want to get a huge discount on it, then you can use my referral link. So if we open our Chrome browser and go to hostinger.com, then here we will see that Hostinger is currently providing 75% off on hosting plans. And if we scroll down, then we will see different plans here. You can see their premium plan is 2.99 cents per month plus 2 months free, and it is offering 75% off on this premium plan, while their business plan is 3.99 cents per month with 2 months free, and they are offering 75% off on it. And if we talk about their cloud startup plan, then it is 9.99 cents per month and they are offering 60% off on this plan. And you will get plus 2 months free on each of these plans. Each of these plans will have different available features. So if you want to get 90% discount on any of these plans, then simply what you need to do is to use our referral link in the description. You just need to copy the link from the description, and after that open a new tab and go to hostinger.com. After opening it, what you will need to do is to log in or sign up to your Hostinger account. So here you will need to click on the login option at the top right corner. After that, here you will need to enter your email and password and then click on login if you already have an account. And if you don't have any account, then you need to click on the choose a hosting plan and get started now. As I already have an account, so I will log in through Google. Then here I will select my login account. And after that, you will be logged into your account. Once you have logged in or signed up to your account, then what you need to do is to go to your new tab. After opening the new tab, then paste the link here from the description and then click on enter. Now this website will open using my referral link. So here what you need to do is to scroll down, and here you will see different plans. From here select the plan that you want to purchase and click on add to cart option. After selecting your plan, then it will open up this page. So now here scroll down and select the time period for your selected plan. So from here you can select 1 month, 12 months, 24 months or 48 months of time period. Let's say I have selected the 48 months of time period. After selecting your time period, then scroll down and here you will be able to see the discount that you have got. So here as you can see, you will get 80% discount plus 20% referral discount. And after applying 20% referral discount, your hosting plan price will go from $143 to $114. So this is a very huge discount that you will get using our referral link. So here you will need to enter your payment details after selecting the payment method and then click on submit secure payment. And then you will get your hosting plan with very huge discount. So hurry up, go to our description and get your discount now. So this was how to get 90% discount on Hostinger plans.